This is the recording of the Unit 6 test, Part 1 or Part A, being read, the questions being read aloud. If you are going to take the test while listening to this recording, just after I read the question and the answer choices, hit the pause button, and then when you're done answering that question, you can unpause it. Remember, you still have to log in and select your answers on the online test and submit it there. But you can use the document with the questions to print out and write on as you're going through the test questions. All right, now let's begin. Question number 1. Using the GCF method, what is the factored form of this polynomial? 30a squared b squared minus 42a squared b. Answer choices are 6ab times the quantity 5b minus 7, 6a squared b times the quantity fb minus 7, 3ab times the quantity 10a squared b squared minus 14, 3a squared b times the quantity 10ab minus 14a. Question number 2. What is the factored form of the polynomial? 9c to the fourth power minus 64. Answer choices are the quantity 3c plus 8 times the quantity 3c minus 8, the quantity 3c plus 32 times the quantity 3c minus 32, the quantity 3c squared plus 8 times the quantity 3c squared minus 8, the quantity 3c squared plus 32 times the quantity 3c squared minus 32. Question number 3. For this question and question number 4, it's important that you note that the order of the factors on the left, these choices here, where you'll pull down and then select the matching number over here. So your answer choices for here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. However, the order of these will change for each student when they take the test. There was no way to make them not change. So it's really important that when you match up your answers with the factored form here, with the original polynomial here, that when you take the online test, that you match them up with the correct answer, okay? All right, so question number 3, match the polynomial expressions to their factors. Okay, so for here, prime, which one of these choices is prime? Second one is x, the quantity x plus 7 squared. The third one is x minus 7 squared. And this one is the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x minus 7. Okay, so your choices to match them with are x squared plus 14x plus 49, x squared minus 14x plus 49, x squared minus 49, x squared plus 49. Question number 4. Again, the order of your choices right here, this listing will change when you log in to take the test. It may not be the same. So just make sure if you're writing down your answers here that you match them up with the correct one on the online test. So select the correct factorization for each polynomial. Okay, so this one is the factored form is the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x plus 3. This is the quantity of x minus 8 times the quantity x minus 3. The quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x minus 3. The quantity x minus 8 times the quantity x plus 3. And your answer choices for each one of those is number 1 is x squared plus 11x plus 24. 2 is x squared plus 5x minus 24. Number 3 is x squared minus 5x minus 24. And 4 is x squared minus 11x plus 24. These will remain in the same order, but these will change. Question number 5. Factor the trinomial. 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Answer choices are the quantity 2x plus 7 times the quantity 2x plus 7, the quantity x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 7, the quantity 4 times the quantity x squared plus 7x plus 45, and the last answer choice is the quantity 2x minus 7 times the quantity 2x minus 7. Question number 6. Factor the polynomial. A squared minus a minus 12. Answer choices are the quantity a plus 3 times the quantity a minus 4. Second choice, the quantity a minus 3 times the quantity a plus 4. Third choice, the quantity a plus 3 times the quantity a plus 4. And the last choice, the quantity a minus 3 times the quantity a minus 4. Question number 7. Which binomial could be written as a difference of squares? Choice A is 9c squared plus 25d squared. Second choice, 9x squared minus 8y squared. Third choice is 36a cubed minus 25b squared. And last choice, 16w squared minus z squared. Question number 8. What value of b makes the equation below true? X squared plus bx plus 48 equals the quantity 8x minus 8 times the quantity x minus 6. Your answer choices are -2, 2, -14, and 14. Question number 9. Factor completely 3x squared minus 48. Answer choices are the quantity 3x minus 16 times x plus 3, the quantity x plus 3, 3 times the quantity x minus 4 squared, prime, and the last choice is 3 times the quantity x plus 4 times the quantity x minus 4. Question number 10, factor completely. 7x cubed minus 42x squared plus 56x. Answer choices are 7x times the quantity x squared minus 6x plus 8. Second choice, 7x times the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x minus 2. Third choice, 7x times the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 2. And last choice, the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x minus 2. Question number 11. Factor completely. 2y squared plus 60y plus 450. Answer choices are the quantity 2y plus 30 times the quantity y plus 15. Second choice, 4 times the quantity y plus 15 times the quantity y minus 15. Third choice, 2 times the quantity y plus 15th squared. And last choice, 2 times the quantity y minus 15 squared. Question number 12. Select all the factors of 5x squared minus 125. Okay, you can select more than one. Okay, select all the factors. And choices are 5, 5x, x plus 5, x minus 5, x squared plus 25. Question 13. The area of a rectangular playground is represented by the expression x squared plus 4x minus 21 meters squared. Which expression represents the width? Answer choices are x plus 17 meters. Second choice, x minus 7 meters. Third choice, x plus 3 meters. And fourth choice, x plus 7 meters. Question number 14. A polynomial expression is shown below. 3x cubed minus 27x squared plus 60x. When the monomial 3x is factored out, the remaining expression is a trinomial. What is the factored form of the trinomial? Answer choices are the quantity x minus 20 times the quantity x minus 1. Second choice, the quantity x minus 5 times the quantity x minus 4. Third choice, the quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 3. And last choice, the quantity x minus 10 times the quantity x minus 2. Question number 15. When this expression is factored completely, which binomial is one of the correct factors? The polynomial is 6x squared minus 48x plus 96. And your answer choices are x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 8, x minus 2. Question number 16. What is the simplified form of the rational expression below? 5x plus 10 divided by 10x. Answer choices are 5, 5 divided by x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by 2x. Question number 17, simplify. X squared minus 16 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4. Answer choices are negative 4 divided by 5x, negative 16 divided by 5x plus 4, x minus 4 divided by x plus 1, and x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. Question number 18, simplify. X squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x plus 3. Answer choices are x minus 5, x plus 5, x plus 3, or x minus 3. Question number 19, simplify. X squared plus 8x plus 15 divided by x squared plus 10x plus 21. Answer choices are x plus 5 divided by x plus 3, x plus 5 divided by x plus 7, x plus 3 divided by x plus 7, or 4x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 7. Question number 20. In the expression below, k is an integer. The expression can be simplified as shown. Assume that the denominators are non-zero. So the expression x to the fourth plus x plus k x to the third divided by x to the third minus 8x squared plus 12x is equal to x squared divided by x minus 2. What is the value of k? 8, 6, negative 6, or -8. Question number 21.